Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this disposable plastic cup with a lid, and I'm so glad that I did. First, let me tell you, I love the size of the hole. You can drink from it or you can use a straw. Perfect for little hands. I really love that it holds different drinks, smoothies, water, anything that you would like, juice. With my family, everyone drinks different things, so it's really nice just to be able to whip these cups out, make whatever drinks that they want, and then just serve them up. I would definitely recommend these cups because a lot of people are always on the go and they love their drinks, and a lot of people hate doing dishes like me. So I would definitely recommend this. It's good for coffee, juice, like I said, water, really anything. Smoothies, it's definitely great for smoothies. You could see the big hole. Also could put a straw in there. So I definitely love this cup. I use it for so many things. My kids, my family, everybody. And that's my point of view.